On this episode, I lift a dump trailer. I'm having second thoughts. Then I lower a dump trailer. Welcome back to another episode of A Welder's Journey. In today's episode, we have a broken dump trailer frame and some repairs inside the dump trailer to do. Side here. Okay, we have a crack over here. Crack. Some kind of a crack over there. Nothing in front. Back here too. Yeah, there's a big ass crack over here. So I'm gonna gouge it all out. Re-weld everything. Same over here. Small crack over there. Over here is good. Good. Then I'm gonna fix that. That nasty ass welds. All cracked. Over there and over there. Let's get started, boys. We got the first section done, and going on to the next one. Over here. On to the next section, we have these, and this. Basically all four corners. All four corners of this section. 1, 2, 3, 4. On to the next one. Okay, the frame is done. Let's go inside the dump trailer. Here we are on the inside now. We have a few holes patch, like this one, and think this one. There's a huge gap, so I'm gonna patch it up. Something like that. Let it out. Here she is, all patched up. I would like to thank everyone for the 600 subscribers. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.